Hello guys, so August 11th, what happened in history? We'll check the things. Before that, a question, okay, like why we are doing this initiative, that also I told you, we'll show you questions. UPSC 2021 prelims, a question came, consider the following statements. 21st February is declared to be the International Mother Language Day by UNICEF. Okay, so it's like a pure GK fact, which usually UPSC people don't study, but UPSC started asking this from 2021. And second statement is the demand that Bangla has to be one of the national languages was raised in the Constituent Assembly of Pakistan. Okay, not even Constituent Assembly of India, Constituent Assembly of Pakistan. So the level of GK has increased, the number of GK questions have increased, and that is why 2023 prelims, which happened recently, is the toughest exam ever, toughest prelims ever. Okay, there is no debate on that. Whichever coaching class is trying to justify that it's very easy, we covered it, it was all there in the notes and materials, they are all bluffing. Okay, they have to accept first that it is difficult. Maybe it will be there in their material, but before that, one institute has to come in front of students and tell that coaching materials did not suffice. You had to have regular revision, you had to have regular practice, a disciplined study, and we also failed to identify that UPSC may ask these kind of things. This thing, if an institute or a teacher is accepting in front of you, they are the good mentors for you. Okay, so here it was asked in the form of 1 and 2 statements, that is 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 or 2. But in 2023 prelims, they asked the other level, statement 1 and 2 is wrong, 1 explains 2, 2 explains 1. It was a very difficult CSAT level question, which I showed you in the previous episode of August 10th daily importance. Okay, so now this answer you have to tell me in comment section. And daily I want a like and comment. Okay, only then we can gather this information and give it to you. So this one tell me in comment section. And now we'll see why is August 11th important, or what all historical things happened on that particular day. First thing, most important, in your Spectrum textbook it is written August 11, 1908 is when Khudiram Bose was hanged. Okay, he was hanged. So I thought I'll give you a little more information. It is told that he had a smile on his face, he had his Gita book in his hand, and he is like very young that time. Okay, that time when he was being hanged in 1908 August 11th, he was just 18 years old, 18 years, 8 months and 8 days old. Okay, so this is a very important personality in history, and it is there in your Spectrum textbook, and you are supposed to know that. Okay, and how did he come into freedom fighting? He was inspired by the speeches given by Aurobindo Ghosh, okay, an extremist leader, and also Sister Nivedita, who was even linked to Vivekananda as the disciple. So these people, Khudiram Bose, and why he was hanged? Ultimately something very historical, something which you will do, because of which you will get arrested, right? So he was a member of Anushilan Samiti, which was in the eastern side of India, and was in contact with Barendra Kumar Ghosh, who was a leader there. And then in 1908, he and his another freedom fighter, Prafulla Chaki, they threw a bomb, okay, in a carriage which was coming out of a building. The target was to kill Douglas Kingsford, okay, who was the district magistrate of Muzaffarpur, but instead of him, there were 2 women, innocent women, who got killed in that. Okay, so magistrate escaped, they were arrested, and they were hanged. So this is the important thing which happened on August 11th, 1908. Next, 1943 on August 11th, you know, that time the World War, Second World War is kind of ending. Germany is slowly losing. So Germany had to evacuate from Italian island of Sicily. In the map you can go and see. So from there they were beaten back, and they, by the Allies, Allied power is other one. Okay, the UK, Russia, the other people. So they defeated, and the German forces had to withdraw from Italian island of Sicily. This happened in August 11th, 1943. 1960, an African country is there, Chad. Okay, Chad was repeatedly asked in prelims. Now last 2 years in options it is there because of the civil war and military problems there. So this country got independence, or became independent, on August 11th, 1960 from French colonization, meaning like India got independence from British colonization. Chad got independence from French colonization on this particular day, August 11, 1960. In India, meanwhile, 1961, Dadra and Nagar Haveli became centrally administrative UT. Before that, you know, it was under Portuguese rule till 1954. After that, it got independent, and then also post-independence, you know, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was slowly making everything one India kind of thing. That is why even Statue of Unity we have built in his memory. So this particular thing, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, became a UT on August 11th, 1961. Okay, now you know that Dadra and Nagar Haveli plus that Daman and Diu, they have been merged to become one UT. I don't know many people know it or not. Now we have total 28 states and 8 union territories only. Okay, we don't have 9 because these two have been merged together. Okay, so that is another thing which happened on this particular day. And also internationally, if you see space related, also I show you one point. This particular person, Adrian, he was the first cosmonaut to have orbited the Earth 64 times in 4 days. So that was a kind of achievement, and that he went in this Vostok 3 space vehicle. Okay, so this is the basic things which happened on August 11, 2023. Hope it's helping you learn a lot of things, lot of facts which is UPSC specific. Okay, so if you want to learn such many things, in our test series we have compilation of thousands or lakhs of facts. Okay, because 100 plus prelims test we have, 25 plus mains test we have. This will be like flooded with knowledge in a disciplined fashion. I will not throw you materials on WhatsApp or any group or something. It will be personally given to you in the Gmail, in your email, in a regular disciplined fashion with an integrated 1 year study timetable also. So sitting at home, you can simply study from the quality of materials you can see here. These materials you can study at home in a disciplined fashion. Ideally, you should clear. If you really do this, you should pass. There's no other option. Okay, you have to pass because you're studying the right materials at the right discipline time. Full bulk study may not help. Okay, so contact me in WhatsApp. There's a number given here. I'll come with the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.